treat yourself to a test drive in the 2013 Dodge Journey. It features all-wheel drive versatility, an automatic transmission, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, automatic temperature control, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, and remote keyless entry. Premium sound drives 7 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Dodge also prioritized safety and security with features such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.